Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to find wallet address on Ambire Wallet account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open your Ambire application on your mobile device. Also make sure to log into your account, and then once you are logged in, from the main dashboard, tap on the receive button appearing at the top right. Soon after you tap on it, you will receive your QR code along with your wallet address. You can share the QR code with anyone if you want to receive cryptocurrencies from them. You can also copy the wallet address by tapping on the copy icon and send it to anyone you would like to receive funds from. So that is how you will be able to find your wallet address on Ambire Wallet. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.